Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to give my opinion on this 4K Ultra HD action camera. And if you are also searching that kind of video, you are in the right video. And in this video I'm going to tell you about the 4K action camera, which is I recently purchased from online website. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So without any delay, let's begin our tutorial.
So here is the camera. So this is a action camera. Here is a 4K Ultra HD action camera. Okay, so here is some specification: 1080p S264 and a video in the 4K quality. And here is a waterproof also. There is a wide angle lens 160 degree also, waterproof up to 30 meter. Now you can see this is a box of this camera. Okay, so I think there is no name. This is a Goplus cam, and you can see here is a QR code also available. From there you can download the application. So this is a, I think, Goplus cam. Okay, so now you can see here there is a 4K Ultra HD and waterproof 30 meter. It's telling me like that. So guys, you can see here this is all the equipment which is inside the box of this 4K action camera. Okay, so now you can see there is a 4K action camera. This is a main content. Okay, so now you can see there are lots of tripods and stands also available. There is this kind of stuff also available. There is a case available. Okay, there is a camera case also available, and now you can see there is a cleaning small types of towel also available, and there are lots stuffs available which is very useful. Okay, so now you can see here here is something which you can use to shoot your video. Okay, and there is a clips also available. Okay, so this is a real action 4K Ultra HD Wi-Fi camera, and here is a power mode also available, and in this side there is a volume button available, and this is a screen in this side, and here is a battery available. If you want to remove this one, just you have to pull from this area, and in this side you can use your micro SD card here, and you can use a charge from here also. Okay, so there are lots stuffs available. So let's try. It's giving us a really good quality or not. If I try to switch on, maybe the battery percent is 0, that's why it's not opening right now. So this is a waterproof camera case, and let's open this one from here. So I'm just opening this one. Just you have to pull this side, and oh, just wait for a moment. Just pull this one and just pull this one like this, and inside here you have to put your camera. I'm just using the only one hand, that's why it's taking too much long time. And after this, just press this one like this. Oh, it's not working maybe. So just wait for a moment. So just put it like this, and after this just bring it the trim here and just put it. Now your action camera is inside this waterproof camera case. So let's try. It's it have a good quality or not.
hoping that you understand something from this video about the action camera. Please don't buy this action camera because it's giving me too much poor quality. If you purchase this action camera, and it will be totally waste of money and time. Okay, so please don't waste your money and time. Hoping that you get some idea about this cheapest 4K ultra HD camera. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet you in another video. Goodbye, see you again.